Dostlar sizler Angliyada, London'da Piccadilly Circus'ta qanday yer degan desangizlar
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata.
Good, here we go. Showtime.
Hello, everybody, please. Here we go. Closer right now. Start the show. Want to see a showtime? Come closer. VIP for you.
Tell me where the freaks at. We get that bass thumping,
Everybody.
jumping all over the world. Got the speakers pumping, let me drop it for the woman with curves. Got that freak show. Welcome to the circus. Believers lead, preachers preach.
People, are you ready? Are you happy? Are you crazy? Wow, for the first time. Alright people, look, we have a live show and we like crazy energy. We don't like this. Or like this. So people, please, London, give us some energy. Wait, this side. Front side. This side. VIP area. People with money. Rich people, Saudi Arabia, I know. Alright, people, before this show, like I say, we like crazy energy. So, on the count of three, if you don't speak English, 1, 2, 3. Go crazy, clap, scream. Mama, dada, throw the baby in the air. But catch it back, come from the baby. Here we go. People, on the count of three, and we start the show. 1, 2, 3, make some noise! Kid, don't be scared, okay? Don't worry, everybody, big applause for this kid. Here we go, make some noise. Alright, but let's begin. Who made this? Mama, don't worry, okay? I'm a professional. Yeah, that's why I'm on the street. But Mama, take a video, yeah? Might be the last one. No, I'm just kidding. Let's man, one kid is too easy. What we need right now, right here, we need more. We need four sexy adult men. Here we go.
Snap with it. All my ladies, pop your backs with it. Pop with it, pop with it, lay with it, pop with it, snap with it. All my ladies, pop your backs with it. Pop with it, pop with it, pop with it, snap with it. All my ladies, pop your backs with it.
Kid, only 1 second, yeah? You, and you, sexy boy. Come here, one line over here. Come on, here we go. Don't move. Here we go, one line. Yeah. Alright, here we go, Mama. I'm gonna explain to you what's gonna happen, yeah? My friend is gonna run. He's gonna jump, flip over your son. Don't worry, Mama, because we have a grand finale. Guys, please, nobody move, okay? If you move, you die. No, I'm just kidding, no. People, but before this grand finale, I would like to make this kid very happy. So please, everybody, at the same time, clap your hands. Here we go. First of all, gentlemen, take off your parachute. You're allowed in London. Yes, give it to us here.